We are doing a neck massage today and I'm applying organic coconut oil. Start off doing long gliding strokes on the erector spinae going all the way up to the base of the skull. Do kneading strokes on the upper traps. Now we will hold static friction on the suboccipital muscles. Next, we will hold static friction in the erector spinae muscles located in the cervical spine. Now do some gliding strokes on the levator scapula muscles. Now find a few spots to hold static friction on the levator scapula muscle. Go back to your kneading strokes on the upper traps. Now you want to do static friction on the upper traps. When you're using your thumbs or fingers, you want to be putting the pressure as if you're going straight to the bottom of their feet. Now wrapping up the upper traps, we are going to move on to doing glides and static friction on the scalenes, which is on the anterior or front part of the neck. Holding static friction on the anterior scalene, you want to make sure that you put your thumb underneath the collarbone and hold the muscle down. Now, if you feel a pulse, try to move over more to your right and until you don't feel that pulse. Now I'm going to move the client's head in a neutral position, and I'm going to hold static friction on a muscle that's on the anterior portion of the neck. I'm going to hold static friction on several points on the SCM muscle. Your client may feel referral pain going up into the temporalis. If this happens, good communication is essential. You want them to tell you that there is referral pain, and the goal is to hold that point that is causing the referral pain until it goes away and diminishes. Okay, now let's do some glides to smooth it out on the back of the neck and compare the two sides. Do the same routine on the opposite side of the neck. Let's finish up by doing some nice stretching on both sides of the neck, doing a couple of times on each side and keeping the client's head in a neutral position. When doing passive stretching on a client, make sure that you do not go past the body's natural resistance. We want to do a stretch so it should feel like a stretch, not that we are tearing the tissue. Let's do some kneading strokes on the upper traps, alternating left, right, or you could do them at the same time. And then we will do some gliding strokes, connecting the back and the neck together. I like to conclude a neck massage by doing a suboccipital hold and then just letting my hands just melt off the client's neck onto the table.